Alright guys, welcome to my very first video for the future build of the Conquest Tsi. I'm very excited because today we're going to be doing a very simple mod, but it's something that I really like for the interior. And I'm going to be installing my Nrg quick release. So I got it right here. Got the wood grain with the neochrome inside. I'm very excited, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm really excited for this because I've been wanting to do this for a while. And if I show you the interior, it's actually really clean. All original. Got the original steering wheel, original radio, interior, everything about it. Original seats, rear seats. But it's time to make it more of my style. So actually the first thing that I have to do . There you go. Alright, so that's the horn right there, I remember that. Okay. Yeah, it didn't even. Okay. So next I gotta take that piece off. This is the horn. What is that? No. Okay. I might not have a horn after this. I got on the first time. So now, this is the only hard part that I remember. It's kind of scary, like I don't want to hurt myself. And I forgot how I did it.
You don't want me to help you?
That's okay, it's just kind of... I don't even have any. Well, thanks to my girlfriend, we got this out. Just took a lot of muscle, but okay. So there we go. All right. Now let's go get the new parts that came in. Okay. So I haven't even opened it yet. But this is the hub. Okay. So this is the Kyostar hub. Looks exactly the same, and even feels the same too as the Nrg one. It's not that bad. Okay. Let's see a moment of truth to see if it fits. I'd want Kyostar top. Yeah. Since I did have this on my old 300ZX, I'm gonna take off the old hub and put that piece onto the new one so the new steering wheel can fit. 6. Okay. First we'll put up the hub. Okay, that seems like it. Just to be safe. Okay. So basically after this, like, that's it. We're done. So now, I'm stuck. Where's my Nrg? Okay. So now I show up from work. That's it. Looks good. I like it. Alright, so I decided to go with the 01000 Top Fuel Neochrome shift knob. Just gonna check if it does fit. But... Alright, I got it. Old shift knob out. I'm trying to put the new one. Looks like it's that one. Alright guys, well that was it. Pretty quick, pretty easy, and it looks super nice. I'm very excited about that. But do stay tuned for future projects that I'm going to be doing to the Conquest. Hopefully building it up to a very cool show car. So could be doing racing seats, I'm thinking slotted brakes, or even doing my custom wing. So do stay tuned. I'll catch you guys later.